Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Task Scheduler by typing Task Scheduler into the Windows 10 search box. Press Enter and wait for the console to load fully. You can also open it from Control Panel under Administrative Tools if you prefer menus. The main window shows the Task Scheduler library on the left. The center pane lists tasks and their next run times. The lower pane gives details and history for selected tasks. Click Create Basic Task in the Right Actions pane to open the guided wizard. Give the task a clear name and optional description to identify it. Choose a trigger like daily, weekly, or when I log on and set the schedule details. Next, pick an action such as Start a Program and browse to the executable file path. Review settings on the summary page and click Finish to save the new task for Windows 10. Right-click any task in the library to run, disable, export, or delete it immediately. Use the Properties dialog to edit triggers, actions, conditions, and settings precisely. Check the Conditions tab to require AC power or network availability for the task. Use settings to configure retries, stop task after a timeout, or allow missed run handling. Use the History tab to view execution status, success, and any errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.